Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters. On my channel we talk about all things financial, saving, budgeting. I also do saving challenges from time to time, so check out for those. And I'll be sharing my investment journey of stocks and crypto with you guys as well. First off, I just want to apologize to you guys that I haven't made any videos really since last year, September. And I've had a lot of you ask what's happening, what's going on. And I thought I'll make a short video explaining to you guys what's happening in my life. As you guys know, life happens and things change. So this is my time to start getting back into my YouTube channel. So first off, last year, September, I became permanent at my old job. And that meant a lot of extra hours because it became the Christmas season. We had to work weekends. And then with all the restrictions not being so tight anymore, me and my daughter started doing Cardano, which is really great, but that meant it's another 2.5 hours a week of exercise. Since we've been in lockdown, we haven't done that much exercise for the last 2 years. So this has really taken its toll on me with my extra hours at work. I was really tired at the times I was at home, and I am still a mom, I am still a wife. So that means I still have some household duties to take care of as well, and shopping duties on top of all of that. So it did mean I was really tired, and the few moments I did have for myself, I really just wanted to relax. If you find this helpful so far, please smash the like button so it turns blue, as this will help me with the YouTube algorithm, and I would appreciate your support a lot. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And with jobs actually becoming available, because it has been really difficult to find any new jobs in the last 2 years, my husband was really excited to find a new job with better pay and that he can do more for the family in his own way. So I started helping him looking for jobs on all the job sites in the evenings, and we worked together as a team. When we found him a job, I decided the job I have is not going to work for me because of all the long hours and everything they do expect, and the distance I have to travel every day. It's not going to be viable for me and my family, as we want to have a real family time. I also want to do my future plans of my YouTube channel, my crypto and all my stocks. And I decided to find myself a job closer to home with less expectations of working on weekends and overtime, so that I have time to be able to do what we want to do as a family, and that I can still concentrate on my future plans of my YouTube channel, my crypto and my stock, because I do still want to retire in the next 9 years now, because we've already done a whole year. So I've got 9 years left to try and achieve my retirement goal. So that is where we're heading. That is what I still want to try and achieve. So I need to find a job that's suitable for me and my family, and that's just what I did. So I started my new job in January, and I thought this is the time. Now I'll be able to start getting relaxed, start on my YouTube channel. Then the three of us unfortunately got COVID. It's still not as bad as the first time we had COVID, but we were really still tired, and it has taken us more than the 10 days just to recover completely. We have still been tired for the few weeks after that. So we are back to normal now. I'm 100%, my family is 100%. So I thought this is the time to start getting back onto the horse and start making my videos every single week for you guys, because I really love you as an audience and I do like your input, and it's really been a great journey for me to make my videos for you guys. I'm hoping I'm changing lives by teaching you how to work with your money, with saving and budgeting, and I hope you enjoy me sharing my journey with you guys of my stocks and shares. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.